Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. So today was the first day, so I went over this evening and I picked up a couple of things because if you are a Nordstrom card holder, early access starts today and I had to go over there and look at some of their beauty exclusives. And I also got a pair of tennis shoes, but most of the one thing of jewelry, most of the things are beauty exclusives. There were so many things I wanted, but guys, I had to be good. I didn't want to spend too much money, but oh my gosh, there were so many good deals. But first off, I wanted to just say, so I have kind of a new background that I'm testing out. I got this little desk. It's kind of hard to see, but I might do another video kind of showing you around my room. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to kind of change it around a little bit just to have a little bit of a different background every now and then than my typical vanity with my shoes in the background or a backdrop. So anyway, first off, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what I got in the Nordstrom anniversary sale haul, then keep watching. So let's start with jewelry. The first item I got, now you guys know me. You know me, so do you know what brand of jewelry I had to pick up? No? No guesses? KENDRA Scott. So I saw some KENDRA Scott earrings, and you guys know that I love turquoise. These were originally $65 and they are $42.90 for the sale. This is what they look like. You can see they're beautiful. They have silver hardware, and then it's just that beautiful pop of turquoise, which I think looks really, really nice in the summer months, especially with white. But I just thought these were so pretty. They also had a pretty pink, and then they had a clear. I kind of wanted the clear as well because it looked iridescent, but I thought, you know what, let me be good and only get one. But again, I don't know if I told you, but the good thing about the Nordstrom anniversary sale, sometimes people think it's just stuff they already had that goes on sale. It's not. It's brand new stuff for fall, which I'm excited about the pair of tennis shoes I got because I saw them on, I want to say it was a Lady Foot Locker website the other day, and they were brand new, really expensive, and I got them at a deal, so I'll share those with you a little later. But I mean, now is the time to shop. So I think I want to say it goes into August, so I'm sure that I'm going to be buying some more things, but this is just kind of like the first cut. So yeah, so these are the KENDRA Scott earrings that I got. So beautiful, and anytime I can get her earrings at a discount, I have to jump on it. What about the beauty exclusives here? And I'm gonna have my receipt in front of me so you know how much I got everything for. I had heard so many people, like so many YouTubers, talking about the SARA HAPP lip scrub or lip balm, or it's called the SARA HAPP lip slip. Who was it? Makeup by Tiffany, and then Alex Garza talks about it all the time. So I saw this cute little SARA HAPP set. It includes the lip slip, one Luxe Balm, and the lip scrub in coconut. So I can't wait. And this was $32 for both of them. And I love how at the anniversary sale they put like a little bow, but you get two full-size items. This right here, this is the lip scrub in coconut, and this is the lip slip. So let me just smell this. I've heard it smells really, really good. Oh yes, it does. So now is the time, if there's anything you want to test out, now's the time to kind of get those deals. But I just thought this was really cute, and I didn't see it my first walk around. I finally saw it. It was kind of like buried, and I was like, I need to pick that up. I've heard so many things about it. But again, this was $32 for both of these. Moving on, I got something from MAC. I got this MAC Lip Trio in Nude. They had a couple others, but I picked the nude one. It's a $54.50 value, and I got it for $36. So it comes with two lipsticks, and you also get a lip gloss as well. So let me show you what they look like. So it comes like this. You get two lipsticks, one gloss. One is a metallic and one is a cream sheen. So let me do some quick little swatches. So this one right here is called Pretty Natural. You can see it's so beautiful. Let me do a swatch in my hand. You can see it right there. It's just a pretty everyday shade. And then the next one is Love Drought, and this is more of the metallic. Let me do a little swatch. See that? It's so pretty. You can see the metallic one. But I love these, and you guys know the MAC lipsticks. I want to say they're originally like 16 bucks. So I got two lipsticks plus the lip gloss, and it was $36.50. So I think I'm going to get a lot of use. And I have to tell you, there were so many items that I almost bought, but I said to myself, you know what? I don't need that. So I was really trying to focus this time around on things like I actually needed. So I feel like I did good. I didn't buy too many things. I didn't go overboard, but then again, the sale is not over yet, so we'll see what happens. All right, the next thing I got, you guys, every year when they have the Nordstrom sale, I always pick this up. It is the little beauty blender set. So this one, it comes with 2 beauty blenders, a carrying case, and a little, this is their little solid swirl. That's what you use to clean your beauty blenders. This was $35. You guys, beauty blenders alone are $20. So you get 2 beauty blenders, which would be $40, and then you get the solid and then the little carrying case. Let me open this up so I can show you what the little case looks like, because I thought it was such a good idea and it was perfect for travel. So here's the beauty blender, just pink. This is what the case looks like. It's pink and black. It's almost like a little egg. And it has little holes in it so you can put your damp beauty blender in it and it won't get, you know, crusty or anything like that when you travel. So that is so cute. This is one of the items that I wanted to make sure that I got, and it will be gone, so make sure you get your little hands on it. The next thing I picked up was by Charlotte Tilbury, and this was Gift of Magic Glowing Skin. This was $75, but retail value was $128.50. A full size of the Wonder Glow, which is kind of like a glowy primer, and then you get the Magic Night Cream and Charlotte's Magic Cream, which is a moisturizer. You guys, the Magic Night Cream alone is like $110, and I've always wanted to try it, so I thought now would be the time. I can use the moisturizer during the day and the night cream, and then I can use this as a primer. So again, $75, which was still kind of pricey, but if you look at everything you got, I thought it was a pretty good deal. Okay, now I want to show you the pair of shoes that I picked up as well. As I was leaving Nordstrom, as I was trying to leave like the 4th or 5th time, I said, well, let me just check out the shoes. I need a new pair of running shoes, and I saw these. They're ASICS. So if you guys don't know, I'm a big runner. I love to run. It's one of my favorite ways to work out. And I saw these. They're gray, and then they have a pretty light pink. And these were normally $160. And these are the ASICS NIMBUS. These are so comfortable. If you haven't tried them, or if you're a runner or walker or whatever, these are such comfortable shoes. But I didn't have a gray pair, so I thought they were really cute. So this is what they look like. And I saw they had sunglasses, they had everything. I was actually kind of good. I only bought 6 items, so this is a really quick haul, but I wanted to make sure that I got it up, so I showed you what I got. Now I will insert a clip. These are just some of the other beauty items that they have. They had some Dior stuff, they had Laura Mercier, they had so many things, but I tried to focus. I'm going to go in there. I don't want to spend a ton of money. I only want to get some things that I truly, truly need, because I found that in the past I will buy things that I don't necessarily need, and I feel like this is really good stuff. You have the beauty blender, which I'll use every day, the Charlotte Tilbury, which has a moisturizer and a night cream and the primer. I have the earrings, which you know how I love my KENDRA Scott earrings, the shoes, the slip, you know, everything. Oh, and then the MAC Everyday Nude. So those are a couple items. I didn't go overboard. You guys should be proud of me. And then these shoes I'll wear every day when I run. So I hope that helped. I'll make sure to list all of the items down below. If you have any questions, make sure to leave it down below and let me know. Does the lighting look different? Do you like this background? Do you prefer it when I just have my shoes as the background? Do you like it when I have my backdrops as the background? I try to kind of change it up, you know, to keep it a little spicy. So anyway, have a good day. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. I will see you next time.